This is my fifth video lesson for Unit 15. In this lesson, we'll be naming unsaturated hydrocarbons. Go to page 19 in the class packet. Building on the previous PowerPoint, what other information you must include in naming unsaturated hydrocarbons? The first thing is you have to indicate whether you have a double bond or triple bond. In this molecule, we have a double bond. Next, we have to indicate where that double bond is in the molecule, at which carbons. Notice in this molecule, there are two groups. One's the methyl group, and the other is the double bond. So when it comes to numbering carbons in the parent chain, do we number it from left to right or right to left? Which group is more important and has priority? Learning target. At the end of the lesson, I'll be able to name various unsaturated hydrocarbons with double and triple bonds. Homework be number 5, which will be a Junipod based off this lesson. There'll be a quiz Junipod on PowerPoints 4 and 5. Here we're given two molecules. Let's predict the chemical name of these two molecules. Both of these molecules have a 4-carbon parent chain and a double bond. The chemical formula is the same. However, the double bond is in two different places. Therefore, these are isomers of each other. They are both butene, but they are different isomers. Therefore, in the chemical name, we need to indicate where the double bond is in the molecule. Here are the additions to the procedure on naming hydrocarbons. The ending of the parent chain is either -ine for double bonds or -ine for triple bonds. Double and triple bonds must be in the parent long chain. Give the location of the double or triple bond by the lowest number carbon in the parent long chain. So we will label this carbon 1 so that the carbon with the double bond has the lowest number possible. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Place number with dashes between the organic prefix and suffix, or put the number in front of the parent name with a dash. So the name of this compound is 1-butene. Let's look at the other isomer. Let's first label the carbons 1, 2, 3, 4. And since we want the lowest numbered carbon possible, this is 2-butene. 3-butene does not exist. Here's the molecule from the first slide. It has two groups, the methyl group and the double bond. So when it comes to numbering carbon, do we want the methyl group to have the smallest number or the double bond to have the smallest number? Which group has priority? The group with priority has the lower number carbon. It turns out the double bond has a higher priority than the methyl group. Therefore, the double bond will have the lower number carbon. So we will number the parent chain from left to right. So the chemical name of this molecule is 3-methyl-1-butene. We have to write the substituent first since the double bond is part of the parent chain. You can also write the chemical name as this. Notice that the number is inserted in the chemical name. Either one is fine. So here's the table of priority. This is in the last page of your packet. Double and triple bonds have a higher priority than alkyl groups like methyl group or ethyl group. On the regions, they would typically ask only one group, occasionally two groups at most. Learning check number 1, given the formula representing a compound, what is the chemical name of this compound? Pause the video, resume as completed. The parent chain is 5 carbons long, and there is a double bond. So the ending is -ine, so choice 2 and choice 4 are wrong because -ine means triple bond. Next, we number the carbons so that the carbons with the double bond have the lowest number possible. So the answer is choice 1, 2-pentene. Try to do the rest of the questions on page 19 on your own. Pause the video, resume as completed. Here are the answers. Notice in question 20, the molecule have two double bonds. Use covalent prefixes for multiple double or triple bonds. Since there's two double bonds, the prefix will be 2, and we're going to put in front of the -ine. Let's number the carbons in the molecule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the name of this molecule is 1,4-pentadiene. In the practice on page 20 and 21, draw the structural formula given the name, try to do it yourself, pause the video, resume as completed. Here are the answers. This concludes the video lesson. Remember to do the Juniper homework and quiz.